Hi folks, it's Wiley here, and today I am demonstrating how to draw on a Samsung digital whiteboard. And what I have done is I teach art at a local senior center, and I took a bunch of seed catalogs or bulb catalogs apart and passed them around the room and was teaching people how to compose their own pictures. So I'm using this big 75-inch digital whiteboard. I'm using it in pen mode. As I said, it's a Samsung Flip product. And even though I'm in pen mode, as I said, you can also paint in watercolor mode and in oil paint mode, and it's really quite a very versatile teaching tool. This size model sells for around $4,500, but if you're a government or organization or a school, then they do offer a fairly substantial discount. So we really enjoy it. And, a lot of my seniors are older and have a little tougher viewing things, so this really makes it easy for everyone to see. So, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.